Hi everybody, welcome back to All DIY, No Skills. So we're on to our next step of our fall overseeding. So we scalped the lawn, now we're going to dethatch it. To dethatch, I'm using this Sunjo Power Rake dethatcher. Got my extension cord taped up over here because this little retention clip is useless. Now this thing, when you buy it, it comes with a bagger. That bagger is also useless. After about 20 feet it's full and you're constantly emptying it. So what I like to do, this lid moves. It's supposed to sit inside within this wheel well. I like to lift it up just outside. Have it held in place like that. Gives the old dry grass somewhere to go. And to operate, very simple. Push this little lock button in, hit the button, and off we go. Turn around, head the other way. Now this thing kind of pulls itself along a little bit. Sometimes if it's getting stuck, you have to give it a little push, give it a little help. But you can see all that old dead grass that it's pulling up, all that thatch. We want to get all that stuff up so that when we put down our new seed, it has good contact with the soil. Just get our cord out of the way. So as you can see, we're getting up a lot of dead stuff. This is good. We'll clean all this up in the next step. But for now, I'm gonna finish up the rest of the lawn. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done with the dethatching. All right, thanks again. Take care.